Okay, this video is going to demonstrate how to complete the coaster assignment in Autodesk Inventor. You're going to begin in Autodesk Inventor, and you want to start by creating a new part file. This is of course in inches and using the standard IPT template. From here we want to start a new sketch. We want to put it on this top surface here, which would be the XZ plane. Remember that when you click on the XZ plane, it's going to turn it so that it's not upright and visible. So you'll want to take and rotate this so that it is upright and visible right off the bat. And then our coaster is going to be a rather large coaster. It's going to be 8 inches in diameter. So I will use the polygon command here. We want a hexagonal polygon, and the center of it's going to of course be the center point of the sketch, and then we want it to be approximately 8 inches in diameter. Just get it about the right size. At this point you can come in and you can put in a constraint. So if I want, for example, this line to be vertical, which I do, I can apply that constraint to the line, and then I can now come in and put my dimension in there. Oh, I made that much too big. That's okay. 8 inches in diameter here. It is fully constrained, and we are ready to finish this sketch and complete our first extrusion. So we're going to extrude this now 1 inch. We'll go to the extrude command, extrude it 1 inch. The dimension's already in there. You can extrude it up or you can extrude it down. I'm going to choose to extrude it down so that I can use this sketch in the next step. Okay, this original sketch. So I'll choose OK there. So now at this point we want to come in and put in the next sketch, which is going to be like the little routed corner, if something were to drip off the cup, that it would collect in there instead of spilling on the table perhaps. So we come in here and you're going to now start a new sketch, and you want to start this sketch on the XY plane, that one right there. So we'll click the XY plane. In order to see that sketch plane, you'll use the slice geometry command, which is F7. So notice I press F7 and it now kind of gives me a cross section, if you will. If I rotate it up so that it's an isometric view, I've actually cut through the object. I press F7, it turns it off. So F7 does that slice geometry. And now what I can do is I can come in here and draw the geometry that I want. So I want a couple things. Number one, I want to take and I'm going to project that edge right there as a line into my sketch. Okay, and then I'm going to place a circle on the edge there. Okay, like that. And then I can trim off what I don't need, and I can dimension the rest of it. So I'll come back to this view. So the dimension from the edge to the center of that circle is 0.875, and then this has a radius of 0.44. Okay, and then I think that's actually 0.88. Not much of a difference there. So now notice again that I am fully constrained. I have my sketch. This line creates part of the profile. This is going to be what we sweep to get rid of here. So we say finish the sketch. It takes us back to our solid model, in which now we can come in and add the sweep. We're going to use the sweep. Our profile is indeed that section there. The path, okay, is going to be the outer. Oh, I need to, before I can do that, I need to come in and right click on sketch 1 and make it visible. That way I can use sketch 1 as a path. Okay, I forgot to do that. So again, we go to sweep. Notice that it's saying now select the profile, so I want this to be the profile, and you got to be careful to actually get that. If I need to, I can rotate it up so I can pick it from underneath. So there's my profile, and now I can select my curve, which is the outer edge, and I want this not to be a join but a cut on the Boolean operation, so I'll do that and choose OK. It's going to give me a note saying that the path does not intersect the profile, but you can see from the preview that it's actually working just fine, so we'll say yes here, and it gives us now that cutout section that we want. The last thing that you will do would be to come in here, right click on sketch 1, turn off the visibility, and then of course save your part.